Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Diane here. I'm so excited to show you my finished little golden book about Dolly Parton. This one was so cute. I really enjoyed reading the story about her. I learned a couple things I didn't know. And the theme of the book is based in blues and purples. I'm sorry, pink and blue. I'm looking at purple right now, but it's mostly pink and blue in the book. So those are the colors I went with. A lot about butterflies and of course music and country singing and just being the magnificent person that she is. So I didn't count the pages, but there's a bunch. There's 3 signatures. The whole story is in here so you can read it as well and learn about Dolly. Let's see, I sewed the signatures in with a 3-hole pamphlet stitch and I tied it closed with this scrappy fabric here. And there's the back. Isn't that cute? Got some junk journal jewelry hanging off the side, some cute butterflies and some little tabbies on the top. All right, let's dive right into this one. Okay, so I've added a lot of ephemera in here, but you of course are free to take it out, move it around, change it however you like. I'm also going to be including some extra ephemera and bits that were left over from making the journal. So here we go. Let's well, you know, a little golden book is 6 by almost 8 inches. And what did I do the spine at? The spine is 2 inches wide. Okay, so here we go into our pretty book. Oh, look at this. I took this image off of Pinterest. I think this is the picture that she has on the front of her cake mix boxes. So I put that at the front so you know right away which Dolly we're talking about. I did each signature cover with some cardstock from a paper pad that I found at Hobby Lobby. And then I also used the kit from the Paper Bee called Rhinestone Cowgirl, and then a couple pieces from another one called Dainty Rose. So I'll link those in the description box down below. Okay, and I made this journal card. I believe I did this on camera. I made this journal card with a napkin that I found and I sewed around it. There's a cute butterfly on the back. We got a fabric ruffle here and our jewelry, our cute little butterfly with the rhinestones in it. And then there's a lot of phrases from the junk journal kit from the Paper Bee in here. Here's our first page. I also added some avocado dyed paper, but I used some doilies to give it some texture. This is a page from the kit. And then I added this envelope on here with this nice tall journal card that I collaged on. And then this is open back here so you can tuck in something back there as well. And then in our pockets here, we have another tag from the kit. And then this cute journal card I made with some of the pieces from the kit and some cardstock. And the whole story is in here in order. Here we've got a collage tag paper clipped on with a heart, some doily, and then throughout the book I have some over the page tags that I just tucked over the top. So of course you can move those around, clip them, cut them in half and make them 2 tags, decorate them, all kinds of cool stuff. A pocket from the kit, and then these are some stickers that I found at Walmart in the party section there. Some cool tags. And then in the center of each signature I did some beads and butterflies. Just all different colors. I thought that was really cute. Some music stickers. And look, Dolly is a butterfly. Isn't that so cute? This is a really pretty book. I really enjoyed it. And then here we have a index card. It was an index card that I made into a journal card. And then the little inserts that go in a jukebox for the songs. This is another page from the kit. And over the page tag, There's Dolly singing. Some pretty dimensional rose stickers in here as well. Some collage tags. And on the back page of the first signature, we have this cool fabric flip. I did some stenciling and stamping in this journal as well. And this one's got multiple layers to it. All pretty fabrics. And then this one, this is the front of a greeting card that I cut out. I've got a nice shopping list, another journal card, and a bookmark. And this butterfly has little pink rhinestones on it. So cute. And then we've got a card here, another tag from the kit. And this was made with cardstock and then pieces from the kit as well. This pocket is a little tight. There we go. Another over the page tag. And a pocket here. There's a collage journal card that I did on some German paper. I love this little Dolly boot from the kit. Flip out page, some more avocado die. This is from the kit. Dolly and a 3D rose sticker there. Over the page tag. And then here in the center, some more butterflies and beads. Let's see. This is a bag that my silverware came in at the Cracker Barrel. I thought that was appropriate. These pieces are from the Dainty Rose kit. And then this collage tag has a butterfly paper clip holding it on. And then this is a little double pocket. These pockets and these tags are all from the kit, the Rhinestone Cowgirl kit. This page is part of the kit. And then some collage tags. There's always something to be grateful for. So, so true. And then this is another graphic I found on Pinterest. Dolly, the original cowgirl Barbie. Yes, she is. Another card with a pretty flower on the back, and I put some daisies across the top there. And here's a little cutout butterfly for the last signature. And look at this. I love this tag. It's so cute. And then this one's made with some pieces from the kit as well. Another page from the kit. I had a lot of fun with this one. I didn't realize how many pink things I had in my stash until I started looking. Here's a heart paper clip holding that tag on. Some more beads and butterflies. I just love all the words that came with the kit. You just put them everywhere. I'll be sending a bunch of those with the journal as well to whoever purchases it. Another window envelope. And another fabric flip at the back. And I added a library pocket here with a card, and my stamp is on the back. And that's the whole journal. I hope you enjoyed this flip through with me. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.